Glory of the Snow is a beautiful little bulb that grows into colonies, often blooming right through the snow. These star-shaped flowers come in shades of blue and white and pink. The leaves are narrow and kind of like grass. This low-growing plant reaches only 4 to 6 inches in height. As with all bulbs, plant them in the fall in full to part sun, 3 to 4 inches deep, with plenty of organic material, and water them well, and they will multiply and divide into nice little colonies in your flower garden. And then allow the foliage to die back naturally so that the bulb can store energy for next year.